it's Nicole from Let Nicole Help. In this video, let's explore the integrations in Flodesk that will help you connect Flodesk to some of your other apps. So here I am in my account and integrations on the left. So right up top, we have Instagram. I love this. It's going to pull in your latest Instagram feed directly into your newsletter, which is very cool. Then we'll just scroll through and you can see how you can add Shopify customers, interact, marvelous session, etc. Won't read them out loud. So I don't use some of these personally, but I will point out, of course, this Canva connection. So Flodesk emails are already incredibly beautiful, but now when you can pull in Canva designs on top of that, that's just going to take it to a whole nother level of beauty. And so you can quickly and easily sign into your Canva account to pull designs in. It's all easy. So further down the list, you can see we have some favorites from Zapier. Zapier, again, being that program that connects thousands of different apps to one another. So here are some of the favorites for Flodesk from Zapier. So not included in this list is my favorite with Zapier and Flodesk is bringing my Suns and Hats CRM contacts into Flodesk. And then further down the list, we have favorites from Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is really similar to Zapier, connecting lots of tools together. And here you can see some of their favorites with Google Sheets, WooCommerce, Elementor, etc. So obviously we want to use and take advantage of the built-in integrations whenever we can, But then, it just takes it to a whole nother level when you can connect through Zapier and Pabbly Connect to get people to and from your Flodesk newsletter list. So these integrations are super powerful, and I hope they will help you streamline your business. Thanks for watching.